Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, students, today we are going to continue our chapter 4 fractions. Today, in this chapter, we will learn about the addition of fractions. And in this, we will learn addition of fraction with like denominators and addition of fractions with unlike denominators, and the third one is addition of mixed fractions. So let us start with the addition of fractions with like denominators. As you all know, like denominators means the number which are having the fractions which are having the same denominator. Okay, so what we will do in that, to add two or more fractions. Okay, we cannot add only one fraction, so we need two or more than two fractions. So what we will do, to add two or more fractions having the same denominator, because we are doing addition of fraction with like denominator, so the denominators are same, so we add the numerators of the given fractions. What we will do, we will add the numerator only. Okay, and the denominator is same, so we will take that denominator as a common denominator of the given fraction. Okay, so what we will do, we will add, we have taken an example 3 upon my 14 plus 5 upon my 14. So these two fractions have same denominators. So how we will add it? What we will do, we will write it like this, equals to that in both 14 is there, same denominator is there, so we will take it as common denominator. We will write as common, we will write 1 time 14, we will take it as common denominator, and what we will do, we will add the numerator 3 plus 5. This way we will add. What answer we will get? We will get 8 upon me 14. Now you will see this 8 is come in the 2 table and 14 is also come in the 2 table. Now we can cancel it out on common table of 2. 2, what you will say? 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. Okay, so these two numbers are a multiple of a common number. Okay, it is a multiple of a common number, it is a multiple of 2, so we can cancel it out together and we will write it 4 upon me 7. Okay, now we will do the next part, that is addition of fraction with unlike denominators. It means where denominators are different. Okay, so how we will do it? To add two or more fractions with unlike denominators, we first change all the fractions to their equivalent fractions with common denominator. Okay, so how we will change? We will take the LCM of 3 and 27. Okay, the denominator, we will take the denominators, we will take the LCM of denominators. So if we see, the denominator of 3 and 27 is, what is the denominator of 3 and 27? I will make a rough column here and I will write here. It is a rough column, I am writing here 3 and 27. So I am 3 ones are 3, I am taking the LCM, 3 nines are 27. Then again I am doing factorization, 1 and here come 3. Then again 3, 1 and 1. Okay, so what is the LCM is 3 multiplied by 3. So the LCM is 27. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 is a 9, 9 3 27. So what we will see, we will make it equivalent fractions. 1 by 3 ko we have to make, means in this we have to take a common denominator as 27. So what we will do, we will multiply 3 with 9. When we will multiply with 3 with 9, so we will get 27. If we have done here multiplication, so we will also write same number in the numerator also. So here 9 upon my 27 will come. Okay, if we talk about 11 upon my 27, we have to make it same. How we will make it? Our denominator should be 27. Okay, this is the LCM. So LCM will become the denominator, a common denominator in both the numbers. Okay, and we have to write the equivalent fractions of the numbers. Right, now 27, when I multiply with 1, I will got 27. So if I have multiplied the denominator with 1, so I have to make multiplication of 11 also with 1. So what will come here? 11 upon में 27. Now I will add both to these number. 9 by 27 represent 1 by 3 and 11 by 27 represent 11 by 27, right? So what we will do, we will add it. 9 upon में 27, 11 upon में 27. Now we will get the common denominators. We will write the common denominator like this, and now we will add both the numerator. 9 plus 11, if we see what we will get 20 upon में 27. We cannot cancel it out because it will not come in the common table. Okay, so we cannot cancel it out. We will write it as it is. Okay, so now we will do the next part, that is addition of mixed fractions. How to add the mixed fractions, right? To add two or more mixed number, as you all know, this is a mixed fraction. Okay, we add the whole numbers and the fractions separately, then we will write the two sums together to get the required sum of the given number. Okay, there are two methods of doing addition of mixed fraction. One is that we will write the whole number first. We will add the whole number first like this. 1, in this example, 1 plus 3. 1 is here the whole number and 3 is here the whole number. Firstly we will separately we will add it, and whatever is left here, that also we will separately add. Okay, this is fraction. 2 by 7 is left and we will add 3 by 7. Okay, this way we will add it, right? Now 1 plus 3 is 4, as you all know, plus this common denominators are there. So what we will do, I will write it 7. LCM I have taken, or you can say common denominator is there, so I am writing it here 7, and I will add 2 plus 3. Okay, so what I will get, 4, 5 upon me 7. Okay, this I'll got this. Now how to do it? I can write now 5 by 7. How I will write 4? 5 by 7 I will write it like this. 4 plus 5 by 7 I have written. Now I will write 7 as a denominator, common denominator, and if nothing is mentioned here, I will take it as 1. So what I will do, I will see 1 7 is 7, so I will multiply 4 with 7, right? Then I'll add 7 1 is 7, so I will see 5 multiply by 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? 28 plus 5 upon me 7, right? The answer will be 33 by 7. Okay, this will be the answer. Now there is an alternative method also. What we will do, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we will convert? We will see 7 1 is 7, then I will add 2 to it. It will become 9 upon me 7. Okay, now this 3 by 7, 7 3 are 21. I will multiply 7 and 3, 21. Then I will add 3 to it. What I will get? 24 by 7. Okay, this will be common denominator. Now I will add 24 and 92. When I will add 24 and 92, what I will get? 24 plus 92 is 24 plus 9 is 33 upon me 7. The answer is same in both the cases. Okay, now we will see with different denominator how to solve it. So what we will do, we will take out the whole number here, we will add it, and we will add the fractions part separately. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7. Now I will take LCM of that, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So what is the LCM is 4. So what I will do, I will make it equivalent fractions. As you know, how I will make it, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, right? Now 4 1s are 4 and 1 1s are 1. So I will write it like this. Equivalent fractions I have made. Now 7 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now I will again take an LCM. I will write it here 4. Here if nothing is mentioned, I can write myself, I can assume that 1 is there. So how I will make it equivalent fraction? If I will multiply 1 with 4, then I will get 4. To 7 also we will multiply by 4. And here 3 is multiplied by 1, because for making it denominator equivalent fraction I have to multiply 4 with 1. So this will be our addition of mixed fractions. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 1s are 3 upon में 4. What it will become? 28 plus 3 is 31 upon में 4. There is alternate method also. What we will do, how to add it, this is the easiest method, so we will follow this method. Firstly we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how we will do it, this method you will follow. Okay, so how we will do it, we will convert into improper fractions. How? 2 multiplied by 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2, then 4 4 is 16 plus 1 17 upon me 4. Now I will take the LCM 4, and if I have to make it equivalent fraction, so 2 2s are 4. If I'll multiply 2 with 2, then 7 is also multiplied by 2, and here 4 1s are 4, so 17 is multiplied by 1. Okay, so what answer we will get? 14 plus 17 upon me 4. 7 plus 4 is 17 plus 14 is 31 upon me 4. So with both the methods answers will be the same. So which method we have to follow in mixed fraction? We have to follow that. Firstly we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we will make the equivalent fraction, then we will get our answer. Okay, by taking an LCM. Understood? I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you and have a